Hi guys, how are you? So last week I received a shipment with paints, or no, it's not paint, they're, what are they? How you call this? Tints? Pigments, thank you Alex, and some PolyPour, and this is from Leslie Oonstad from ColourArte. She shipped me this to try it out in my painting, so this is not sponsored, we're just experimenting with these paints and see what we can make. So how you mix this, you use this PolyPour with a little scoop of these tints, mix it up and the substance will be perfect right away. But I guess for the Dutch pour we need to make it more liquid and just add a little water. So yeah, I'm gonna pick some of these pigments. We've got a lot, I've got more also there. So yeah, let's try some. So this is a cool one, it's Payne's Grey, Bling Violet Pearl, must be cool. This looks pretty also. Spiced Pumpkin, Sunburst, and just one more, this is pretty, Guatemalan Green. Shall we try these all together? Yeah, I think that works. And I'm gonna use my own white from Amsterdam as a base and pour these as a puddle and see how this works. So let's start putting this in cups, just a little bit. Oh, it's very thick. Let's put that in the cups. So let's start with the Sunburst. I haven't even opened them. Oh, it's very vibrant. So I got these little scoops. Yeah, the colors look very different when mixed. So I don't know if these are the right colors to use all together. But let's just mix them first and then see. Yeah, this is beautiful. I like this one. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Let's just use these colors, they will be better together. And then one of my golds. Maybe we need a more darker color in here. Some light brown also. Okay, yeah, this is too thick. Just put a little bit of water in here. Beautiful. And the last one, the Violet Pearl white. Let's see what that will make. Okay, well guys, this is very exciting because I have no clue what's gonna happen and how these paints and tints are gonna respond to each other. But it's so fun to try. Well, let's start with the normal white base. Well, let's start with these paints. Let's start with this yellow. Just a little bit. And then we have this pearl white. Let's put it in there. Contrast. Let's pour white around this. Let's see what will happen here. Let's blow the white over. Wow. Okay, let's blow it out. Yeah, you see here, it's it's so weird because when I look like this is blue. When I look from under, it's totally purple. How cool is that? Well, not much happening. But this is very cool. Is it sort of paint shift you guys are talking about? I've never used sort of paint shift, but this changes from color from which side you are looking at it. I can't wait till this dries. I have no clue how this will dry. And also it sort of looks like there are layers in here. Well, I really hope you guys can see this, but you see really the depth in these colors under there. Well, I think this is very surprising. No, yeah, I really didn't imagine this would work like this. I love it. Really, Leslie, this is so cool. And I've got so much tint, so much more colors. Wow. Yeah, it's awesome. So guys, I will try to get a link for you so you can buy these tints, because I really think this is a new level. It's sort of like resin on your painting. I can't wait till this dries, because also I use normal acrylics with these tints and this PolyPour. Yeah, okay guys, I'm just excited. Well, I hope you like it as well. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.